Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this headband with the garter crochet stitch. If you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of all my new videos, and also remember that you can find hundreds of crochet amigurumi and knitting patterns in my website. You can find the link on the description below. Let's go now with a step-by-step. To make this headband using the garter stitch with the crochet hook, I used baggy wool. You can see here the specifications of this material, a 4.5mm crochet hook, scissors and a tapestry needle. Take the crochet hook and make a chain of the width of the headband that you want. If you want to make the headband bigger, you have to make more chains. If you want to make the headband smaller, you have to make less chains. So start making a slip knot, and in my case I will make a chain of 15 stitches, chain 15. And start now with the garter stitch with the crochet hook. Start with a chain 1 and make 1 slip stitch in all the stitches, 1 slip stitch to the end of the 15 stitches. So 15 slip stitches. Once you finish the first row, you have to chain 1, turn, and we are going to make slip stitches also in this row, but in this case we are going to take only the back loop. Here you can see both loops of the stitch. You only have to take now the back loop of the stitch, so make 1 slip stitch on each stitch, taking only the back loops. Once you arrive at the end, chain 1, turn, and now repeat again 1 slip stitch on each stitch, but in this case taking only the front loops, of the previous row. So 1 slip stitch on each stitch, taking the front loops. Once you are at the end, chain 1 again, turn, and make now 1 slip stitch on each stitch, but now taking the back loops. You have to take in one row the back loops and in one row the front loops. So 1 slip stitch on each stitch, taking the back loops. Once you arrive at the end, chain 1, turn, and make 1 slip stitch on each stitch, taking the front loops. Once you are on the right side of the headband, you have to take the front loops. Once you are on the wrong side, you have to take the back loops. Continue making the crochet garter stitch to have the size of the headband that you want. Cut
cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. And then place the headband like this. Take a tapestry needle and sew all the parts of the top together with the tapestry needle. And then you only have to turn the headband and you finish your crochet headband with the garter stitch.
Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of all my new videos. And as always, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.